Hi friends, welcome to Laxmi YouTube channel. Today I am sharing how to make Sapota chocolate milkshake. Now we'll see the ingredients. 1 cup of cold milk. This is boiled and chilled milk. Honey. Cocoa powder. 2 to 3 sapotas, peeled and de-seeded. Grated chocolate. Here I have taken mixed chocolate. You can take dark chocolate also. Now we will see how to prepare this Sapota chocolate milkshake. First, take a mixie jar and add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Grated chocolate. For children, add more. They will like chocolate, so you can add more chocolate. 1 tablespoon of honey. You can also add sugar. Now add sapotas and boiled milk. Now grind all these ingredients into fine smoothie. Now you can see the Sapota chocolate milkshake is ready. Now we'll serve this Sapota chocolate milkshake in a glass. First take the glass and garnish with chocolate syrup. You can see here how I am garnishing the glass, serving glass. Now pour chocolate Sapota milkshake into the garnished glass and garnish with mixed grated chocolate and chocolate syrup. Now the Sapota chocolate milkshake is ready. This will be very yummy and tasty also. In this way we can include fruits for children. You can give this chocolate milkshake in the evening times, and this is full of energy. Do try this Sapota chocolate milkshake and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. If you like this video, click on the like button, share and comment on my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.